Let's make the most of your Subaru experience with AHA. With over 30,000 stations, you'll have something to entertain you on every drive. First, download the app onto your smartphone. Depending on which smartphone you have, either go into the iTunes App Store or Google Play Store and download the free AHA app. Once downloaded, launch the AHA app, log in, and create a list of your favorite stations on your smartphone. For social media stations, log in through the AHA app. Touch the audio button. Connect your iPhone to the USB port or connect your Android device through Bluetooth. Pairing is confirmed when the AHA icon becomes illuminated. You can now control, view, and hear AHA content through the navigation system. Let's begin by accessing your favorite stations. The presets from your AHA app will now be displayed on the station list and can be scrolled up and down to see 25 of your favorite stations, including social media and audiobooks. Simply touch the station you would like to hear. Touch Back to return to the station list. Stations that include restaurants, hotels, and any other point of interest with content information can be set as a destination in the navigation system. Just find what you're looking for and touch the Go To button. A cursor will come up on the navigation system. Touch Select, then Go to set as a destination. You can also place a phone call to the point of interest by touching the phone button. The phone call will be made through Bluetooth when enabled and paired. Now that you've got a taste of what AHA can do, you'll always have something to keep you company when you're out on the road.